All right, this is part two of $400,000 gold. Whether it gets there or not, I have no idea, but that sure would be cool for me. I'd love it. And if you own lots of gold, you'd like it too. Um, but I wanted to talk about something else in the business, in the industry that is not talked a lot about. And that then is the leveraging values that are currently in the ground. Um, and that's a tricky thing. And to be honest with you, in my personal opinion, I think it's a very unfair thing and kind of a little bit of a cheat code to build a platform legally. And but I want to talk a little bit about it so that you don't fall victim to something like that. And I believe the certification for a mine that allows it to be publicly traded, I believe, if my memory serves me correctly, is a 401c3 or something like that. And if you know, leave it in the comments, but I believe it's something like that, 401c3. And if you are selling mines, you probably have heard that, where people are getting a hold of you wanting to buy it and put it or see if it's under a 401c3. And the reason for that is because that enables them to trade that mine and its potential reserves on the public market. And so basically, it's essentially turning gold that's in the ground, not even mined, into a paper product that can then be traded. And I don't know, not a lot of people talk about that, but that's what's going on in some of these circles. So if you're selling a mine, I mean, if that's what floats your boat, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but to me, um, mines should be mined, and that's what I'll say about it. That's from a miner. If there's value in the ground, it should be mined, and according to everything realistic, it's not valuable until it's out of the ground. So a mineral or something like that, until it's out of the ground, shouldn't be traded on or sold or bought or anything like that, in my humble personal opinion. So don't send any sharks after me. you know but that's my opinion on the matter. Uh, yeah, paper market of gold is kind of getting put under the microscope right now, and who knows what could happen with that. But I didn't want to leave out another possible problem, and that is this paper trading with mineral reserves. And to me, that's even worse than paper trading gold that I'm holding on to, and I'll just buy back from you when you want to. So anyways, figured I'd leave that too. This is part two, and that'll be the end of it.